guys, Jen here from Raven Lou and Paper 2, and I'm sharing with you the incoming Thankful for Crafty Friends swap I received from Meeka 32 Meeka, and this swap was hosted by Ursula, who is Arctic Glam. And for this swap, it was a very simple, very fast swap. It was 1 beaded pen or shaker mix, 2 store-bought crafty items under $5, and a Thanksgiving or grateful card. I can already see all the fun fall themed things she has sent me. The easiest to pick out right here would be the little apple cider drink mix she has sent me, and it looks like she has used the KS Crafts hot cocoa die to gift it in. I'm not sure what this paper collection is. It's very colorful, very pretty. For some ephemera here, she has the Fall in Love. We have a little pumpkin spice drink, and it says apple cider, and she has these cute little flowers with blingy centers on them. And then the back is just this cute little polka dot paper. She has also sent a container full of wire wrapped beads, and on the top here she has a cute little pumpkin and sunflower sticker with a little bow. And she has sent lots of colorful little pretty beads here, and they're all wire wrapped in gold. It looks like we also have some bead caps. These guys are really cool, and they have little stars all around them. But she sent lots of beautiful colors here. We have this deep teal, this light blue, this deep green, some light pink, some gold, some of this clear, and then, oops, I'm throwing stuff around. And then we have this black and white heart. Lots of cute little wire wrapped beads. Thank you so much, so that I don't have to sit here and do that all myself. Okay, and then she has used one of the clear totes to package everything in, and of course there's this beautiful shred that is orange and like tan and brown, all the beautiful fall colors. And she's used this like ribbon, I think it's false grain, is that how you say it, ribbon, and it's in this beautiful like taupe brown, beige, whatever you want to call it, color. And here in the front she has sent me some of these acorns that I can use for some crafty projects here. And they are glittered in this like deep brown burgundy color, and they have little tops that actually look like real acorns. And inside here she has another pocket. And this looks like her pen and some ribbon. So for her ribbon, she has went ahead and she has used a little orange doily on top, and then she has cut out this watercolored like beanie that's in the fall colors, and it says sweater weather, and it's this cute little pink gingham ribbon. Very cute, thank you. For her beaded item, she has made a pin, and her ephemera is a cute little Stanley cup here, and she's included some shaker mix inside of the pin as well. Oh, it was stapled, that's why. And for her pin here, she has this cute little silicone turkey for the focal bead. Then we have this pretty like, it looks wooden, but it's not. It's rubber and this like taupe tan color. And then she has this beautiful jeweled bead, and then this cool geometric bead, all on the orange pen. Inside of here, in her little pocket, she has decorated it with this orange paper. We have this beautiful girl in her fall outfit with the scarf, and she's holding her coffee And we have this applique flower is what it looks like. And then it says hello fall. And let's pull everything out of the pocket. There we go. And then on the inside here, there's even the little detail of a little bow ephemera piece where the little, what do you call it, like the little hanging hole is. I don't know what they're called. And it looks like she has been so kind as to gift me with a bead mix here. And she has it in this cute little pumpkin bag. And we're going to put that to the side so I can put that with my other bags to reuse. And there are all these pretty little glass beads in these fall colors. We have oranges, we have browns, we have golds. All these beautiful colors that are perfect for fall. She has made me some shaker mixes. Yay, because I hate making shaker mixes. Some shakers. And for her little piece of ephemera here, it says fall bucket list, hayride, pick apples, pumpkin patch, carve pumpkins, bake pies, make fall crafts, watch football, sit by the fire, and snuggle. And the first little shaker is a little jug. It says apple cider. And then we have a little slice of pumpkin pie here at the bottom, and it's got little pumpkins inside of it. Very cute, thank you. Let's see. Oh, that's my card. We'll do that in a minute. And then she has gifted me some of the enamel pumpkins. And these guys are really cute. They're from Hobby Lobby. And she has used a, I think she's used a die to cut out a doily out of this pumpkin paper. And then she's used a, guys, I don't know where my words are at today. It's the brain fog. Clothespin. That is the word I'm looking for. Clothespin. And it has this little felted leaf attached to it so that it holds the doily on to decorate the sticker bag. And then she has gifted me these beautiful fall words here, and she's decorated it with a simple bag topper that says Autumn Memories, and this beautiful little flower made out of this gingham paper with little seed beads center. And it says Happy Fall, y'all. Hey pumpkin, hello fall, and cozy vibes. And then last but not least is going to be her card. And her card is beautiful. It's got this cute little background and these colorful leaves here. I like it when fall isn't just trapped to brown. You know what I mean? Like, I love the bright, like, turquoise and the pinks and stuff. I think that makes it really fun. And here she has a band across the back. We have all these little different leaves everywhere. She has beautiful ephemera pieces. We have a bow. We have this cute little lady wearing her fall gear as well. It says thankful and blessed. And then she has this little flower here with one of those gorgeous gold centers with a little gemmy in the middle. And on the back she has her handmade by Meeka Boo. And I'll leave her link down below so you guys can find her. And it just says, thank you for being my partner. And she hopes what I sent. She hopes I like what she sent. And happy holidays. So, thank you so much, Meeka, for everything. This was all so beautiful. And I appreciate every bit of it. Let me try and put everything back in my little webcam here so y'all guys can see one more time all of the wonderful things that she had made for me and gifted for me. I don't think I have enough room here. But everything, oh, in the back too. Everything is so wonderful. Thank you again, Meeka, for all of your wonderful work. I appreciate everything you have sent to me. And thank you, Ursula, for hosting. And I appreciate everything so much, you guys. And happy fall.